horse, H is for horse. The horse trots around the farm. I, J, K, L. I is for insect. I is for insect. The insects crawl with 6 legs. J is for jaguar. J is for jaguar. The jaguar is a big, big cat. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. The kangaroo hops with her baby. L is for lamb. L is for lamb. The little lamb has snow white fleece. M, N, O, P. M is for mouse. M is for mouse. The mouse loves to eat cheese. N is for newt. N is for newt. The newt wiggles its little tail. O is for owl. O is for owl. The owl hoots in its tree. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. The parrot's squawk is very loud. Q, R, S, T. Q is for quokka. Q is for quokka. The quokka hops around smiling. R is for rooster. R is for rooster. The rooster sings cock-a-doodle-doo. S is for seal. S is for seal. The seal barks loudly at its friends. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. Tiger's stripes look really cool. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. U is for urchin. U is for urchin. An urchin lives under the sea. V is for viper. V is for viper. The viper slithers through the grass. W is for wolf. W is for wolf. The wolf howls every night. X is for ox. X is for ox. The ox